Hello every single one of you and welcome in today's video. In today's video we are going to have a look at the Bitcoin price action, and I'm going to try and convince you, or we are going to have a look at some evidence that we have to apply caution right here on the Bitcoin price. And I hope you guys can appreciate it. In the past couple of days I have been making some different type of content, some tutorials, some trading strategies, a video over a indicator that you can use. This is all for free, and I would highly recommend you to watch these videos, because I'm going to do a little bit less market updates, because sometimes I'm telling, for example, right here, that I think the price of Bitcoin generally is going down after we have seen a top, and it just doesn't really make sense to me to follow that on a daily basis. But we do market updates every couple of days. Okay, so we also be stating right here, even though Bitcoin bounced in the shorter term time frame right here, we actually were quite bearish on Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame based on multiple reasons. And in today's video I'm going to tell you why I'm going to be slightly cautious with this rally right now, and I have very clear reasoning for that, guys. So first of all, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, as we want this content to reach as much people as possible. Also, yesterday I published a video about alternatives for Bybit, because as of today you gotta have mandatory KYC on Bybit, which not everybody wants. And I would highly suggest you guys, every single one of you, to scroll below this video after you left a thumbs up, click on the Apex Pro DEX on this link right here, and create a account over on Apex Pro. This is a beautiful exchange. The volume and liquidity is not that high, of course, as bitget or bybit, but this is a very well developed exchange, and I'm using it already. I'm already trading on Apex Pro, and tomorrow I will drop a tutorial on how to use this platform. Make sure to watch that tutorial from the beginning till the end, as I'm bringing you through the steps of how to use that tutorial, how to use a decentralized exchange. And I think it's just a great alternative to Bybit. Although I also do think bitget is a great alternative. So if you're looking for a centralized exchange that is an alternative to Bybit, I would say go to bitget, sign up through whaleportal.com, or you go to Apex Pro, which I'm doing right now, and I already have quite some fun trading on this exchange, I can tell you. But tomorrow you will get that full complete tutorial, because I think today's video is just important to talk a little bit about the Bitcoin price. So guys, with that being said, let's jump into the Bitcoin price. Why should we apply caution right here? Well, first of all, we have seen already quite a rally in the Bitcoin price, and as you guys know, I'm looking a lot at time cycles. And if we have a look at this chart right here, then you can see that I'm tracking a lot of different time cycles, and all these time cycles are actually quite interesting, because they all bring us back to the letters 3, 6 and 9. So we got a, from this top, bull market top, to the bear market bottom, 360 days. 3 plus 6 plus 0 is 9. From the 20,000 top in 2017 till we broke that level again was 180 days. 1 plus 8 is 9. From this high to this low was 270 days. 2 plus 7 is 9. From the bear market low till the first rally top was 180 days. And why do 1 plus 8 plus 0 is 9? So why do I think this is so important? Because time is actually the rhythm of the markets. We can use time to view the rhythm of the markets. The markets, they are going with ebb and flow, and if you can recognize these patterns, we can say that during certain times there is a higher likelihood for a top, not a certainty of course, and during some time periods it's a higher likelihood for a bottom. What we are seeing right now, guys, is that the rally from the bear market low in 2018 till that rally in 2019, it took 180 days to be precisely. If we would copy and paste that 180 days on this price action right here, then I can slightly put it to the right. Yes, so that was the bear market low. 180 days later would be at the end of May. And I think that actually would kind of make sense to view a short-term top and get a correction from this move after such a time period. So we are getting maybe closer to it. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying this is a certainty. I'm just saying that this is something that I'm watching, which makes me cautious. And this would never be the only signal that I'm watching. There are other signals that I'm watching as well. One is, and this hasn't gone past your consciousness, I hope, is this. The meme token Pepper. Pepper is a meme token. It's basically, the website even says it. It is a token with no value. It's just a joke. It's a meme. But it ranked to number 44 over on CoinMarketCap. And it has a market cap of $1 billion US. Oh, that's just crazy, right? That's just crazy. And I love to see this. Actually, it's just fun to see this. I haven't traded Pepper, but it's just crazy how the crypto space works, basically. But this also shows us, like, wow, the euphoria right now is quite high. We are seeing irrational things happening, like a meme token going to a market cap of 1 billion, ranking 44 over on CoinMarketCap. That is for me something like, okay, I have to be careful right here. So when I already see these signs, like, okay, we are reaching that 180 days, which could be a reversal in play, then we are seeing things like this, like the Pepper going to 1 billion, two warning signals for me. Then if we bring out another Bitcoin chart, or let's just stick with this one, and we were to bring out that indicator that we used yesterday, that is the CME indicator right here, then you can see we already a little bit positive over a period of time, and we haven't really seen it right now coming down. So this is also something that I'm watching. Like I said, not yet confirmation, but just like generally it is positive right here. The moments that it turns negative, the price directly goes up. So that is still a good sign, but generally this leans more to the positive side. Another concern that I have, guys, is that the Bitcoin price is actually quite strange acting on the funding rates, the average funding fee. So with negative funding, during this negative funding, the price actually came down. Right now we have negative funding, and it is Sunday, but the liquidity is a little bit lower. But this behavior, like the funding rate, is actually coming down. A lot of people opening shorts, but the price of Bitcoin is also coming down right here. Right, we had this form of a rising wedge, but it's coming down with negative funding. This is generally not a bullish sign. This shows us that the market conditions actually have changed, because generally Bitcoin would go up with negative funding if we were in a very bullish market. So these are all signs that makes me very cautious, and what I'm just trying to tell you guys right here is I went all into Bitcoin right here. Everything that I had, I've poured into crypto. It had a nice rally. I might take a little bit out right here, and I might miss out on some gains potentially. But I also, if I would remain my whole position in Bitcoin and it would come down, I might miss out a nice next buying opportunity as well. So I think it's quite responsible for me to say, like, I went all in here, which might be an irresponsible move. I literally took all my stable coins that I have and I threw it in Bitcoin. And then we have already doubled that amount. I actually also set that over on Twitter, over on WhaleAlerts, even right here on the channel. We doubled that amount, so I'm going just to take a little bit out just in case, to have some cash laying on the side. Because, like I said, I'm seeing these signs of caution. Different market behavior with funding rates, 180 days. We're seeing meme tokens going to 1 billion. These are just things you normally see when things are a little bit overheated. But you guys can let me know what do you think in the comment section down below. That was it also for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If so, make sure to leave a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. As much people as possible should be aware of this knowledge. And of course, guys, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, I would highly suggest you to do that over on Bybit, especially if you can KYC your account. If you don't like to KYC your account, go to Apex Pro, sign up with the affiliate link down below. It will give you extra perks in the future and access to WhaleAlerts if you are an active trader. So yeah, this is very nice, very good exchange and a very good solution for if you don't want to KYC your account. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. I wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.